Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be trying the Apres Gel X system. It comes in size 0, and this is the biggest size. It comes in a 00, but they didn't come in my box. I don't know why, but that's how big it is. I'm a size 2. This is how it fits. It's true to size. I'm a size 2. That's the length of it, the shape. And once you fill in the gel, it's gonna fill out perfectly. They're really strong, really flexible. They're like a soft gel, so they're not gonna bend or break on you. This is the smallest size they come in, a size 9. Look at how teeny that is. I am a size 8, and this is true to fit. And like I said, you're gonna be having gel on it, so it's not gonna be a snug fit. But once you get that gel, everything is going to fill out those spaces. But this is the length of it. Okay. And you also will need to get the Apres extension gel. You're going to paint your nails first, cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then you're going to put it on the inside of the nail. And you want to make sure you buff the inside of that nail so that it has something to stick to. It's really thick. It reminds me of a builder gel. And then this is the prep, Gel X Prep. You just want to rub the inside of the nail. If you don't want to etch the nail, you could just use this, and it saves a ton of time. And then I always use my Young Nails Protein Bond. Before you put your gel on it, you want to put your protein bond on it so that it doesn't move. So first, I've already etched the nails. I'm going in with my protein bond. And you want to do 2 coats of this if you are a heavy lifter. So I've already resized my nail, and I'm just coming in, and you want to go towards the back of the nail and then come up. That way, if you get any excess gel that leaks out, it'll come towards the nail tip and you'll be fine. And then cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I love this part. This part is just so satisfying to me. Oh, this is my favorite part. And I'm just doing that to all of the nails. She has little teeny nail beds, and acrylic just does not last on my client. So I decided to give these a go, and so far so good. You could get about 3 to 4 weeks wear out of these, and the best thing about them is this gel, so you just can come and do a fill like a gel fill. So you just file and do a refill with builder gel or whatever kind of gel that you're using. And after I've cured them all, you want to do a final cure in your lamp. In your big lamp, I do a final cure on my big lamp for about 60 seconds so that I can make sure they're all nice and snug. And I always ask the client, is this a good length? When I cut, I let them sit again, and they tell me okay, and then I just continue. And I saw this neat little hack where they use the magnets to size, so you get an accurate size every time, and I love it. I don't know how I ever got along without it. So I don't even have to check my sizes because I get the perfect size every time with the little magnet hack. So I just filed and shaped. I don't have to do much shaping because these came pre-shaped, and they are I love them. So I'm just buffing away that surface shine. You always want to make sure you buff away that shine so that your gel polish can stick. And then I also go along that cuticle area in case I had any spillage, and I just go ahead and get that up so that my nails can lay as flat and as smooth as possible. So I'm just buffing away that shine on all the nails. And then I'm going to start painting. So I'm just going to sit here and let you watch this for a second. And I think this is the perfect alternative for those of you who are just beginning and are, still getting your feet wet as far as acrylic, and your acrylic times are still long. You just want to be able to do a speedy set really fast. This is the perfect product. I absolutely love the Gel X. It's super fast to do, and it's super strong and it lasts. I love it. So I'm coming in and cleaning off of her nails with my swipe. So I just come in and making sure I get all the dust out with a swipe. And then I'm using this sheer nude by I don't want to butcher the name. MEM, I forgot the name of this, but it's a sheer nude that I ordered off of Amazon. It was about $6, and I just love this, and I always do two coats, because one coat is a little bit too sheer, but once you put that second coat on, it really starts to get, gives you a good opaque color. She just wanted something simple, nothing too much, and then she wanted a couple gems. So that's the look we're going for. And have to warn you in advance, my nail art, I'm just now getting into nail art. A lot of people think that nail art and being able to do nails are one and the same, and I'm here to tell you they are not. Like, nail art is a totally different ball game. Like, you can do nails and be a professional at doing nails and just not be able to do nail art at all. That's why sometimes when I used to go to the salons, or I'm pretty sure you've gone to the salon and you've shown them a picture and they're like, oh no, I can't do that. Or can you do this? No, I can't do that. That's because you were probably showing them a picture that had tons of nail art and they just weren't skilled in nail art. So I am trying to definitely up my nail art game. I've been practicing a lot on my nail art, and I just want to be really good at nail art. Like, I want to be able to do any design that my clients throw at me. So it's something that you really have to learn. It doesn't come with the territory. It's set aside. It's something aside from doing nails. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys or not, but that's just something that I've learned. So I'm really working on my line work, which is the hardest thing for me to do, is a straight line. So I have this brush. I got this brush from Amazon, and I just come in, I do my outlines first, and then I come and fill in afterwards. And I think that a common misconception about the Gel X system is some people are uneducated on it, and a lot of people, I guess, are thinking that it's like a press on system, but it's really not. It's a full cover gel, which means it's the same as if you were getting gel straight from the bottle onto your nails. You can file it down and refill it just as if you were getting a full gel manicure. So I think this technology is brilliant. Like, whoever came up with it is just brilliant beyond brilliant. And here you're gonna watch me struggle a little bit with my line work. These lines are not perfect by any means, but I'm definitely am practicing, and I'm definitely getting there. So I am using my Beetles. I think this is my Beetles brush, and you're going to kind of see me alternate in between because I'm trying to find that perfect fit for me. I think nail art is about trial and error. And this nail right here was a little bit wonky. I didn't notice it until I started filming, like, in person. They look pretty symmetrical, but yeah, no, they weren't. And I didn't notice it until I was filming. I was devastated, but the client liked them. She didn't, give me any complaints. So I guess that's all that matters. But you're your worst critic. Like, I can always see all of my flaws in anything that I do. The client's always happy, but I can always just, point out those flaws. And here I'm just going in with my D&D top coat, and I'm going to be adding a few gems to the nail. These are not Swarovskis. These are gems from Amazon. And I'm just adding two to the cuticle area on the middle and pinky nail. And then I'm going to be adding a border along the ring finger and pointer finger. So my intentions behind starting my YouTube channel is to kind of sort of document my growth. I know I have a long ways to go, but I've also came a long way, and I've honestly have fallen in love with with all aspects of doing nails. I've fallen in love with the nails itself. I've fallen in love with nail art, and thank you guys so much for sharing this journey with me. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when we post more videos. I'm gonna try to start posting videos every Friday, and that'll be my schedule. Here's the final products. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.